Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
What's up, Glam Squad? Day 8 of VLOGMAS. I just got back from going to the corner store. I needed some juice. I'm wearing my big coat that my mom got me for my birthday. I also wore my pajamas out to go get my juice and snacks, you know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, guys, this is so a look. Like, yes, pajamas. Okay, Uggs. Okay, coat. Okay. I read some of you guys' comments from yesterday, and some people said that like Harlem needs to go on more walks. And me and Harlem do go on a walk, and we walk and I run with him and all of that. But just saying like he needed to let out more energy, I was like, okay, I already play with him a lot. But okay, I'm basically like a stay-at-home dog mom. Yes, I have stuff to do at home, but we're always together. I'm always doing something and he's always into stuff. But I downloaded an app where someone will come and play, basically walk Harlem. So what's her name? I went on the app and I found a girl named Julie. She seems super sweet. She's in college and she lives like 15 minutes from here. And she came and took Harlem to the park and they were out for an hour. She just said that like she ran with him and stuff, and he came back home and still wanted more attention. So my dog is just the type, he wants attention. He's always into stuff. Like, it's just his personality, and I definitely don't mistreat my dog at all. Like, I love Harlem, and clearly Harlem loves me. But when Harlem does something wrong, I definitely say no, and I say it loudly, because Harlem does not listen to no, 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 Harlem, no, Harlem. No, he does not listen to that. He paid that no mind at all. So look, and he's back over here ready. That's just him. He will keep bothering me all day for attention. He likes attention, period. So that's that. Like, look at him. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Harlem, that's my hat. That's my hat. He just likes doing stuff, you know? This is from his pee-pee pad. Like, it look like I don't sweep, but he'll tear that off. Harlem, no, no. See, and y'all would get mad at me saying no to him off that. Like, Harlem, you gonna take the dang on beanie from my head? But I'm about to clean up. Like, literally, I've been on go that literally I've been throwing all of my jackets right here. All the jackets that I've been wearing. So I need to put those up. I need to take out the trash. And yeah, we'll see what else I can do. I've been kind of lazy. Oh, and I have boxes. The boxes that I unboxed yesterday, those need to go out. And I honestly don't feel like cleaning up today. I mean, it's not, I probably will clean my room because this one's not that much, but like literally I do anything to get stuff to like put my camera on so I can see. So yesterday when I was recording on my bed, I like put some tubs on top of each other. So yeah, I'll probably clean my my bedroom and the living room, but as far as these two rooms that look a mess, I'm not cleaning today. You can't make me do it. No, 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 no. You can't help me do it. No, no, no.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. Running through it with the young influence and the less impressions. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete a check with the elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' pull some. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I want the winners and they throw the losers. Guess I have to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, give it cash, the tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, got the bag. Brody, block, get them back. Contract, give me the facts. I got laugh on my back. You ain't that, then it's facts. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Alright guys, we are making progress. The room is back clean. I am going to do laundry a little bit later. And then the living room is now clean. I did want to put up the wallpaper. We need some more light in here. Harlem has new Christmas toys. Yes! So I got Harlem toys and I give him like one new one at a time. So he's been playing with those today. I'm going to put this wallpaper up. Well, I'm going to do one and see how it looks. These are the legs to the pink chairs. I was going to hire somebody to do this on TaskRabbit to come tomorrow. But this is the box of the pink chairs. Let's see about this real quick. So guys, this is either going to be not successful or successful. I might have to hire somebody. I might not. So, let's see. I think already I want to go and hire somebody to put this up. Because, look at me. How am I going to do it? Alone. The reason why I wanted to go with silver is because these speakers, I think that would look really ugly with the Bluetooth speakers right there and having the pink. So I'll put the pink in another room. I'm gonna go ahead and order the people on TaskRabbit to come do the chairs and put the wallpaper up tomorrow. Why not? The only other thing I have to do tomorrow is take Harlem to get a haircut, Oh, rain get always trying to fall. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me. I will do the more difficult rooms another day because I just don't want to deal with it because they've been piling up since before my birthday. So I'm about to do laundry and just, you know, some of the other stuff that's more boring. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.
Having a good time.